What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and I have my dog Ford. Ford, come here. So this is Ford. This is our white lab, and he is just a puppy at 5 months old. But what I really want to show you is going to be on this Ford van. This is our Ford E-Series van, and this van is awesome. This is our shop van. The next thing that I want to talk about is the spare tire, and I did not want a spare tire on the back of this. So what do you do? What do you do? So I thought, well, let's get creative. I have some extra space in here. So what we've done now is we've added a spare tire mount inside your van. So what's going to be really nice about this is it's going to have the two chocks which are going to hold the tire in there, as well as the ratchet strap that to strap this whole thing down. Well, I didn't stop there, as I know that I always want to be able to put more gear in here, and now that I don't need to use this space for a stroller, I thought, let's gear the back of this up, and we did just that with these Molle racks. So this is going to be a really nice addition to any van if you want to be able to just put gear in the back of your van. This is going to be great. You can see I've already added the first aid kit to this, and there's so many different things that will go on these Molle racks, which is going to be great. So just a plunger, slide that in and put it wherever you want. There's different positions in which you can do it. You can even get one for your driver's side door. They're going to be a little bit different, so make sure when you're ordering these, you're going to order the correct side that you want the panel on. Now, I didn't stop there. I guess we just made this almost look like a prisoner transport van, is we did one more rack in the back of this, utilizing all this headroom space, because now we know that we're going to have our spare tire in there. So this is going to be great for those longer items that you may want to be able to carry up on there, like a shovel, a baseball bat. Maybe you're at the field all the time. Softball season's starting for me. So anyways, guys, really cool. And again, like, you can move this stuff wherever you want. If you have bigger stuff, smaller stuff, you want to be able to just hook stuff on here. You want it to be able to hang down. Just something different. You guys, I'm sure, have seen the Molle racks and all the killer stuff that you can put on these things. So I just want to show you that now we have them for the Ford E-Series van, as well as this spare tire mount. So something fun. Tell me what you guys think about these crazy new products. Am I just crazy, or is it kind of cool? Comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll put links to all these products down below in the information section. It's like right over there. And you know, you can go click on that. It's right over to our website, and get a set for your van. So that's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next video.